Ready? Start. The West Bengal Restoration of Alienated Land Act 1973 contemplates in substance return of land to a small landholder. In a situation such a landholder conveys the same to raise funds to tide over financially distressed condition for restoration of the conveyed land. The concerned landholder is required to make an application to the authority prescribed under the said statute. We shall refer to that statute henceforth as the 1973 Act. This legislation lays down certain parameters within which a landholder ought to come to invoke the provisions relating to restoration of the land already conveyed by him. The nature of land to which the said act applies is defined in section 2 subsection 2 of 1973 Act under the said provision. Land means agricultural land and includes homestead, tank well and water channel. To be eligible for the protective umbrella of this statute, the aggregate holding of the transformer cannot exceed 2 hectares. The 1973 Act as originally framed applied to any transfer made by the landholder in distress or in need of money for the maintenance of himself and his family or for meeting the cost of his cultivation. There has been subsequent amendment to the Act by which the word in distress or his been omitted. In this appeal, we are concerned with the deed of conveyance executed on 26 April 1968. The transferors of the land forming subject matter of that deed applied for restoration thereof on 9th August 1974. At that point of time, the 1973 Act as originally framed was applicable. Section 4 subsection 1 of the Act lays down the conditions under which a transferor could seek restoration of conveyed land. Section 4 of the said statute as originally enacted read, where before the commencement of this act a person being the transferor holding not more than 2 hectares of land in the aggregate transferred the whole or any part of his land by sale to any person being the transferee, then if such transfer was made after the expiry of the year 1967, being in distress or in need of money for the maintenance of himself and his family or for meeting the cost of his cultivation, or such transfer was made after the expiry of the year 1967 with an agreement written or oral for conveyance of the land transferred to the transferor. The transferor may, within 5 years from the date of such transfer or within 2 years from the date of commencement of this act, whichever period expires later, make an application in the prescribed manner to the special officer having jurisdiction in the area in which the land transferred is situated for restoration of such land to him. On receipt of such application, the special officer shall cause a notice thereof to be served in the prescribed manner on the transferee on the date fixed in the notice for hearing such application, or on any subsequent date to which the hearing may be adjourned by the special officer. The special officer shall receive such evidence as may be adduced by the transferor and the transferee.